Hey y'all, Anson here from Ivey Forge. I just want to do a quick video. Still not going to be doing forging. Still got to fix up my shop. So for those of you that know, or those of you that don't know, I've actually moved. I'm into a new house. This is just a rental. So some of the things I'm going to be doing, I have to make sure that I can take it apart later to take with me, since I'm not in a permanent location. So you can kind of see back here in the back what I got going on. So this is going to be fairly mobile. So all the top I can take down. The walls themselves, I'm just going to be doing a plywood. It's just going to have a couple of screws that's going to be on the side. It's only going to be on the two sides, and then the side of the fence I'm just going to have one up there, and then the front is just going to have a basically a roll down bamboo, like a window shade that I'm just going to be able to bring down, just enough to be able to keep rain and stuff out the best I can, because I don't want to be putting in a door or anything like that. And then the top, I am going to put a metal roof up there. Yes, that would make it kind of heavy, but I do plan on taking just the metal off later, because I know it's sustainable, it will last, and it's something that it's easy to put on and easy to take off, and it's only 4 pieces. All right, so that's what I got going on. So once I get the shop up and running, I'll be back to forging and hopefully putting out more videos. All right, so as you can see, I got rain. It's been raining the past few days, so it's kind of putting a damper on my weekend. But all right, hope you guys stick with me, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, happy forging. Bye.